everyone, I'm from Spark Education. Today I will discuss the examples of prepositions with you. Let's start it. First is your options are second one, you dash bicycle. Third one is they will meet you dash your room. Fourth one is water is dash jug. Fifth one is they will inform you dash month. Now we will discuss the answers of these examples. First, I will do work dash Monday. Which we use for it? First, we can't use at because it's for the place, and we can't use in because in the previous video we discussed that when we are confirmed about the date or day, then we use only on. So the answer of it is on. I will do work on Monday because we are confirmed about the day or date. Second is he will be past you dash bicycle. You can't use at and you can't say he will be past you in bicycle. If we use in or at, this sentence will be totally wrong. So we will use only on. He will be past you on bicycle. Next is they will meet you dash your room. Which is the answer? Answer is in because we can't say they will meet you on your room. We can say they will meet you in your room. ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ room ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ ਨਾ ਕਿ room ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ. Then the water is dash jug. The water is dash jug. The answer is in. Water is in jug. ठीक है जी, water है ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ jug ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ. And next answer you will, and the last one you will tell me in the comment section what will be the answer of this. They will inform you dash month. So comment this answer in our comment section. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for the more information. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for the more information. Thank you.